Alright, had a request to make the rain blade for Ray with the localized lockup. So I actually did two colors. First one's the deep sky blue, which I usually use for Ray, and then the second is just regular blue to make it look a little more intense on the color. So we got the rain blade from the style sharing thread and then updated it a bit for both of these. So here's this is the lighter for Ray. So it's got the sparkle to mimic the rain on the blade, and then localized lockup, which will move up and down the blade. And then this one's basically the same, just done in blue. So it's a deeper color. And then the localized lockup added. So both these will be up on the style sharing thread as well.